Assalamu alaikum kids.
Walaikum assalam.
Welcome in Islamic learning course. Inshallah today we will read Suratul Qari'ah. Suratul Qari'ah. What surah?
Suratul Qari'ah.
MashaAllah. And we will revise the laws of tajweed, and we will revise this surah and we will try to memorize this surah inshallah. Now you will read after me. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
القارعة.
القارعة.
Here is Qaf, and Qaf is heavy letter and Qalqala 2 echo letter, and you know how many heavy letters are? 7. Khussa dagtin qid. Can you revise? Khussa dagtin qid. Kha, Sad, Dad, Ghain, Ta, Qaf, Wa. Qaf is here, is heavy. And Ain especially. Ain is a makhraj, middle point of throat. And here basically tapish tu. But if we want stop here, then we will make sakin. And what is rule? If you have round ta like this, round ta at the end, and you want to make stop, then change into ha sakin. Round ta change into
Hasakin.
again round ta change into.
Hasakin.
That's why al-qari'ah.
Al-Qari'ah.
Loudly. Al-qari'ah.
Al-Qari'ah.
Same thing. Mal-qari'ah.
Mal-Qari'ah.
Wama adraka.
وما أدراك.
Here is mad. Here is standing zabar, and then ra is heavy. And what is mad here? Is a madde jais munfasil. Madde jais munfasil. 3 to 5. Alif, we will elongate it. Wama. Good. Wama adraka.
وما أدراك.
وما أدراك.
وما أدراك.
Good. ما القارعة.
ما القارعة.
ما القارعة.
ما القارعة.
If you want to read without stop, then you will read Al-Qari'atu mal-Qari'ah.
القارعة. ما القارعة.
Understand? If you want to read without stop, then you have to read tapish 2. If you read Al-Qari'atu mal-Qari'ah, no, it's not good. If you read Al-Qari'ah mal-Qari'ah without stop and you are doing sakin, is wrong too. If you want to not stop here, then you have to read tapish 2. Al-Qari'ah.
القارعة.
Mal-Qari'ah.
ما القارعة.
Okay, you know the alif madda? In alif madda? What is alif madda? Alif without any symbol and letter prior with zabar. Letter prior with zabar. وما أدراك.
وما أدراك.
Minimum 3 alif. وما أدراك.
وما أدراك.
ما القارعة.
ما القارعة.
Good job. Here is alif madda 2 and 4. This vowel is vowel lean. Little bit is long. Yauma.
Yawma.
Vowel second, letter pray with zabar. Yauma.
Yawma.
But this vowel second and letter prayer with pesh. Here is vowel madda. And you know how many madda letters are?
3. Three.
Alif, waw, ya.
Ya.
Again.
Alif waw ya.
Alif, waw, ya.
Alif waw ya.
We read here is alif madda. And alif madda. And here is waw madda. Waw second letter prayer with pesh. And here is alif madda too. And what is ya madda? We will read next is here. Ya second letter prayer with zay. Yawma
Yawma.
yakunun nasu.
Yakunun nasu.
Tashdid, always nasal passage. When you have nun mushaddad or mim mushaddad, then is nasal passage. Gunna, nasal passage. Yakunun nasu
Yakunun nasu.
kal farashil.
Kalfarashil.
Alif madda. Alif without any harka, without any symbol, and letter prayer as zabar. Ra. Kal farashil
Kalfarashil.
mabthuth.
Mabthus.
You know, this wow is madda or lean? Madda. This wow is
Madda.
because wow second letter prayer with pesh. If you have letter prayer with zabar, then is lean. And basically is wow madda. Double harkat, one alif. But because of stop sign, we can do madde arid waqfi. Madde arid waqfi. Madde arid waqfi. From 1 alif to 5 alif or 2 harka to 10 harka. Kal farashil mabthuth.
Kalfarashil mabthus.
Good. MashaAllah. Mabthuth.
Mabthus.
Because is not spheria, is not whistle, is not seen or swat. Without whistle. Mabthuth.
Mabthus.
Again. Mabthuth.
Mabthus.
Good job. And you know echo letters, 5 echo letters. How many?
5.
Ku, tu, bu, jad. Again.
Kutubujad.
Rija, loudly.
Kutubujad.
Rafi.
Kutubujad.
Fahim.
Kutubujad.
Ali. Ku, tu. Adila.
Kutubujad.
Ruhi. Zara. Ku, tu, bu, jad. Good job. How many letters?
5.
5. Together. Ku, tu, bu, jad. Qaf, ta, ba, jim, dal. That's why mabthuth.
Mabthus.
Mabthuth.
Mabthus.
Again, this vowel. Lean or madda?
Madda.
Madda. Vowel second letter pray with pesh. Watakunul jibalu.
Watakunul jibalu.
Alif madda. Waw madda. That's why is wataku long. Double harkat or one alif. Wataku
Watakunul
nul jibalu.
jibalu.
Watakunul jibalu.
Watakunul jibalu.
Kal'ihnil.
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 Ain and ha. Ain middle point of throat and ha bottom point of throat. Kal'ihnil.
Kal'ihnil.
Mafush.
Mafush.
Nun. Mafush.
Mafush.
You know here is noon sakin and after that fa. The rules of noon sakin noon tanween. The rules of noon sakin noon tanween we have 4: izhar, idgham, iqlab and ikhfa. Here is izhar, idgham, iqlab or ikhfa. What is here? Ikhfa. That's why noon sakin after that fa. Fa is not throat letters. Hamza, ha, ain, ha, ghain, kha. That is fa there. And idgham, ya, ra, mim, lam, wa, noon. Yarmalun. Not fa there. And iqlab, ba. Ba is not. That's why is not izhar, is not idgham, is not iqlab, is ikhfa. And ikhfa letters we have 15. Ta, tha, jim, dal, zal, za, sin, shin, sad, ta, ta, za, fa, qaf, kaf. Can you revise with me?
Yes.
Ta, tha, jim, dal, zal, za, sin, shin, sad, dal, ta, za, fa, qaf, kaf. Is a ikhfa. Ikhfa means hiding, concealment. We will hide the sound of noon. It's makhraj. Mafush. Next, mim mushaddad is gunna, nasal passage. Fa'amma. Noon sakin and after the tha. Noon sakin after the tha. Izhar, idgham, iqlab or ikhfa. Is ikhfa. Tha. Ta, tha, jim. Okay. Ma thaqulat.
Sakulat.
Ma thaqulat.
Sakulat.
Qaf is heavy, you know. Qaf is echo and heavy too. Khussa daghutain qiz. Qutubu jad. Qaf heavy and echo too. Mawazinu.
Mawazinu.
Alif madda and ya madda. Alif without any symbol, letter para with zabar. Ya sakin, letter para with zair. And here is a stop sign. If we will read with stop, then mawazinu. If we will read without stop, then mawazinuhu. Okay? Mawazinu.
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 Fahuwa.
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 Ya madda. Ya sakin, letter para with zair. Ya sakin, letter para with zair. Fi isha.
Fi isha.
Ya madda, ya madda. Fi isha.
Fi isha.
Tiradiya.
Radiya.
Two zair, nune tanween, and after that ra. What is here? Is idgham, iqlab, ikhfa, ar, izhar. What is this iqlab? What is this here? Ra, yarmalun. Ya, ra, mim, lam, waw, noon. Without nasal passage, without gunna. Without gunna. Without gunna. Idgham without gunna. Isha tiradiya.
Isha radiya.
Loudly. Isha tiradiya.
Isha radiya.
And alif madda. Radiya.
Radiya.
Dad. Radiya.
Radiya.
Wa amma.
Wa amma.
Alif madda and noon mim mushaddad is gunna, nasal passage too. Noon sakin and after the kha. Hamza, ha, ain, ha, ghain, kha. Can you revise with me? Hamza, ha, ain, ha, ghain, kha. Izhar. This means without pulling, without nasal passage. Man khaffat.
Man khaffat.
And kha is heavy too. Man khaffat.
Man khaffat.
Mawazinu.
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 Fa ummuhu.
Ummuhu.
Inverted page with one alif, the long double harkat, and mim mushaddad is gunna. Fa ummuhu
Ummuhu.
hawiya.
هاوية
ألف بدا هاوية
هاوية
وما أدراك
وما أدراك
وما أدراك
وما أدراك
ما هي
ما هي
ألف بدا ما هي
ما هي
ألف بدا and two page and then after that ha hamza ha ain ha ghain kha is izhar without pulling without nasal passage narun hamiyah
نار حامية
narun hamiyah
نار حامية
narun hamiyah
نار حامية
okay now Adila, you come here and you will read with me. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
القارعة.
القارية
ما القارعة؟
ما القارية
وما أدراك
وما أدراك
ما القارعة؟
ما القارية
يوم
يوم
يكون الناس
يكون الناس
سين يكون الناس
يكون الناس
كالفراش
كالفراش
المبثوث.
مبثوث
Good job. You can go back and Rija, you will read with me. وتكون الجبال
وتكون الجبال
كالعهن
كالعهن
المنفوش.
المنفوش
Good. فأما
فأما
ما ثقلت
من ثقلت ثقلت
موازينه
موازينه
فهو
فهو
في عيشة راضية.
في عيشة راضية
Good. وأما
وأما
من خفت
من خفت
موازينه.
موازينه
Next, Rafi, you will read. فأمه
فأمه
هاوية
هاوية
وما أدراك
وما أدراك
ما هي
ما هي
نار حامية.
نار حامية
MashaAllah, today we read Surah Al-Qariya. Inshallah, we will practice, and then inshallah we will memorize. May Allah give us tawfiq to memorize this surah with the rules of tajweed. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.